Hi guys, welcome to class 3's homework. So this is a little drill. We're just going to be using 3 main movements and we're going to be breaking them down and learning them really intricately. So just start by warming up your wrists first. Good. And then back the other way. So you should be slightly warm already. This is just for the wrists and the shoulders. Nice, opening up. Push through those hips. And then forward, nice, stretching out through the spine, and again. Good, so you should be feeling a lot stronger in this position now. It should be quite natural to come up onto those toes. Good, nice, and then just side to side. So today we're going to be working on the wave, unload, the full scorpion, and then the front step kick through. So the new one we've learned in this 3rd class. So just breaking them down, really getting them ingrained and just enjoying a bit of isolation with that flowing movement. So we're going to be doing a lot of holding, like side to side. Nice, and just come forward, just really push those hips, push the wrists together, just put that stretch through the inside thigh. Nice, and this way push. Pushing the ribs forward. Good, hands down into a nice big lunge here. Good, really feel those legs warm up. Other side. Nice. And again, let's do a little bit of rocking backward and forward, straightening that front leg. Other side. Nice, getting into the legs. And then both legs together, and then just bending, trying to fold that body over as much as you can. So working all the way through the hamstrings. Let the body just hang for a moment. Nice. Okay, so we're going to start off with the wave unload. We're in that loaded beast position. We're here, and you're straightening the legs. Okay. So here we're just going to do this 10 times. So we're just going to straighten and fold 10 times. I really want you to think about getting that tailbone all the way up to the ceiling, straightening those legs, and just moving, adjusting your hands so that you can get that straight leg. So we're here, up and down, and again, 2, 3, just controlling it with the front of the legs, 4, engaging that core, don't let the hands slip away, 5, gripping with the fingertips, 6, 7, 3 more, 8, 9, last one, and we're just going to hold it up here, 4 deep breaths, so breathing in, and exhale, breathing in, exhale, 2 more breaths, nice, from here, that tailbone is up as high as it will go. You're just going to ripple through that spine. So the chin is tucking in at the same time as that tailbone. Tucking in. And you're just going to come to over, keeping that hollow body, okay? So you're here, tucking in, keeping up, here, and then we're going to go back, okay? So straighten that spine, tuck and curve, and then back. And again. Let's do that 10 times. So the shoulders should be coming over the wrist. Tailbone should be nice and tucked. 4. Good. Really working through those shoulders. 5. So you're really beginning that wave by tucking chin and tailbone. I think we're on 7. 8. 9. And 10, let's hold it here. 4 deep breaths. Pushing up through that chest. Last breath. And walking your hands back. Nice. So just go through a bit of wrist relief there. So we're now going to finish that movement. We're going to start from that hollow and we're going to uncurl, draw those hips down, open that chest, eyes to the sky. Okay, so you're in that hollow body, you're here, and then you're going all the way through, uncurling the spine. The chin is the last thing. We're coming up all the way. Okay, so we're here, we're uncurling down. 2, 10 times now. 3, so really breaking it down. 4, 5. Make sure you get that chest up, head up to the sky. 6. Don't lose that wave. 7. 3 more. Keep going, you're nearly there. 8. 9. Last one. Okay, staying here, holding here. So here, pulling up through those quads, really opening the chest and the chin. Engage the whole of that front part of the body as well as the glutes. So really holding that still. 4 breaths. Last one. And then you're going to reverse it all the way down. Okay. Quick wrist relief, and then we're going to go straight into doing that wave 10 times. Try not to think too much about the reverse. We're doing straight legs, tucking tailbone, chin, unloading, unwaving, and then we're just going to come all the way back, okay? So the backwards motion should be quite natural, quite organic. We're just breaking down the front part of that movement, okay? So let's go, 10 perfect waves. And off we go. Nice, you should feel the back working. Halfway. Last one. Nice. Return. Good. Okay, nice work, guys. Wrist relief, and then we're just going to go straight into the next one, which is our scorpion reach. Okay, so we've got, again, 3 breakdowns of this movement. And we're going to start in this loaded beast position. And we're going to do this through 5, so we're going to be doing it on each side. So you're in that loaded beast, you're here, right leg is coming to the left wrist to kiss. So we're here, boom, and back. 5 times, bringing it forward and back. Nice. Trying not to move your hands or your feet. 2 more. Last one. And then we're just going to bring that knee to the wrist again, and we're going to hold it for 4 deep breaths here. Really scoop out that core. Last one. Okay, so we're going to carry on with this side, and then we're going to do the whole thing on the other side. So from here, I want you to do same leg. We're going to open up that position now. So you're coming from that loaded beast. Here, kiss, and then up. You're here. Okay, back around and down. Up, you're here. I want you to think in this position, shoulders and ears are in contact. So try and engage those shoulders to the ears. Back round. Make sure you're really getting that leg up and round. 2 more. Nice. Last one. Good. And just hold. So slight bend in that back leg. Ears to shoulders. Shin should be parallel with the ceiling. Hips nice and open. 2 more breaths. Nice. And coming down. Okay, so now the last bit of that movement, we're going to do the fall back. I really want you to think about when you're in that falling back position, you're here. This hand is the last thing to coming off. So it's peeling slowly, slowly, slowly off. Really try and catch yourself so it's not a big thud when you come down. Okay, so let's do that. 5 opens. So we're from this position here, open, you're here. And then you're just going to kick that leg back over and again. So open, kick that leg back. Good. Open. Nice. 2 more. Really feel that stretch, hand peeling. Last one. Remember the chin, shoulders and ears. Nice. Okay, so 5 of those now, continuous on one side, and then we'll shoot through the other side before coming to that front step kick through. So 5 full scorpions. Kiss the wrist, up and over, ears and shoulders, here, back over, and again, opening up. 3. Nice. 4. Last one, kissing. Nice. Okay, great work, guys. We're going to go on to the other side. So we now got the left leg. We're going to do 5 of those kisses and then hold 4 breaths. 5 opens, hold for 4 breaths, 5 falls, and then we'll do the whole thing all together. So we're here, off we go. 5 kisses, and back, and back. Hollowing out that core, bringing that weight forward over the hands. Last one, let's hold it. 4 deep breaths. Nice, and back. Now we've got the open position, so we're just coming from here and open. Slight bend in that knee, and back, and open, and back, and open. 2 more. Get that shin parallel. Last one. Here. Ears and shoulders. Slight bend in that remaining leg. Few more breaths. Gain control of that breathing. Nice. Okay, a little bit of a wrist relief. And then we're going to go into that full back, okay? So just start from that sort of cocked leg position here, opening up, hand peeling off, fall back, back over. 5 times. Just that section should feel really nice on the side of the body. Two more. Opening up. Nice. Last one. Brilliant. Okay, so let's go for 5 full scorpions all together. Side, off we go. Kissing up over and back again. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5, nice and slow. Stretch it, peel it. Good. Okay, so that's great. First 2 done. Now we're going to get into the front step, which is a little bit quicker. We're just going to go for that lunge to start with. So, your back, sweating, your back, and your here. From here, make sure you've got that long stance with your arms to start with. Right leg is coming in place and back. 5 times. 2, 3, 2 more, 4, 5. Hold it here, 5 breaths. Okay, that back leg can be bent, that's fine. Open up that chest, feel that stretch through the thigh. Nice, pressing back. Now, I'll show you from the side. We're going to tuck in. So we're here. We're coming here. Okay? So you're making it a swift movement. 5 of those. Foot replaces the hand, back knee comes in. Okay, so we're just going to do it like that to start with. Off you go. Boom. And back. 3 more. You'll feel that through the quads. Nice. Okay, now for the fun bit, the kick through. So with this, we're just going to do the full front step, okay? We're not going to break down that actual kick through. We're just going to add it to the whole thing now. So, slowly for the first 2, nice and quick for the last 3. Try not to think too much. Are we ready? Step forward, tuck in, kick through, and back. And again, step forward, tuck in, kick through, and back. Okay, 3, nice and quick now. And 1. Make it fluid. 2, 3, hold it here, hold it here. Nice. Okay, other side. We're going to come with that left leg in that front kick, front step rather. And off you go. And back, good. Breathe through it. Last one, and we're going to hold it. Hold it nice and strong. 4 deep breaths. Back leg, do what's comfortable. Nice, okay. Now we're going to come into that tuck in. So we're here, front step, tuck in, and come back. So these 2 limbs make the window for that leg to tuck in. Okay, so just sit on that foot for now, just to get that tucking in motion. 5, off you go. And 1. And 2. And 3. 2 more. 4. And 5. Nice, guys. Okay, so now for the full front step kick through on the left side. Again, first 2 slowly, not last 3 at a good pace. Okay, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, off you go. Tuck, kick through, and back. Tuck, kick through, and back. And nice and speedy. Boom, boom, and back. Last one. Ooh, nice. So, such a burner for the legs. Oh my gosh. So, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I'm just going to take you through a little leg cool down, but do make sure you give yourself as much stretch and recovery as you need. So, coming into a nice big lunge. So, it's a good idea just to always break down the movements so you know how they're flowing and how they're put together. Back knee down, push further. Take some deep breaths. Back on that leg, straighten, opening the back and coming forward. Nice, okay, switching legs, big lunge on the other side. Wow, just 20 minutes and it's that hard. It's amazing. Just such a versatile movement. Working everything. Okay, pushing back. Nice, keep that foot flexed. Long spine. Good. Coming into that 8 position and just give a bit of wrist relief as you open up those knees. Push that spine forward. Take a few deep breaths here. And that's it, guys. Well done. Great work. I hope you enjoyed that. Any questions, give me a shout. Have a great week, guys. See you later.